Hey guys, Kawa here. I'm here at Laser Shot today, getting to shoot on one of their curved screens, which is really cool. I haven't seen this before, but we are shooting practical shooting India package. I have an inert Sim 7 pistol. If you guys watch my videos, either with Laser Shot or just me dry firing, you understand the importance of dry fire. I'm a huge advocate of dry fire. I think it takes us a long ways when it goes to, for people that can't get to the range a lot, or we don't have a range that we can go to, or if we just can't, find ammo. So here at Laser Shot, again, shooting on this new curved screen, their new India package. Let's see how we do. Okay, clean run, not a bad run. I'm not a competition guy, you guys know that, but I do love shooting these kind of competition stages. I mean, this is just one of several packages they have, whether you are working on fundamentals, if you're working on tactics, or if you're a competition shooter and you want to get something like this in, the system's pretty perfect for you guys. So go to lasershot.com and check out their packages, call for pricing if you need to. I'm Kawa and I train with Laser Shot. See you guys next time.